Hey guys, welcome to my best free alternative to Photoshop. This program is called GIMP. Unlike Photoshop, which is $100 a year, this is absolutely free and it does everything that Photoshop does. It might have a learning curve to get used to it if you are used to Photoshop, but it's not that bad. So I figured I'd have a quick overview for this one, and then in my future subsequent videos for this playlist, I am going to go more in depth on how to teach you guys how to do different aspects of GIMP, because it is very important to be able to create good thumbnails if you do YouTube videos. The thumbnails is what's going to draw people in and get clicks on your videos. If you have a boring thumbnail, nobody's going to click on your video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new. I'm going to use a 1080p format, and then green might be too bright. You want to choose a picture, a color that people are going to want to click on your thumbnail. Usually the bright ones are better, but for this I'm going to do black background. So let me go ahead and color that black using the bucket. And I took a few images off of Google and let's use those. So we're going to do, since I just finished a video on DaVinci Resolve and blurring images, I'm going to use the DaVinci Resolve image. Now as you can tell, it still has this checkered background for the PNG, and I want to get rid of that. So I can click here, which is a circular shape, and I can just stretch it like this and delete those outside. In future videos, I'm going to show you better ways of doing stuff like this than this. I'm just trying to do this quick. Now I'm going to cut that out, delete this layer, and then repost it. There we go. And let's do, what else can we do for this video? Let's copy in this guy. There we go. You want to get views, do stuff that will draw people's attention to your video. So I'm going to anchor this down to a new layer, and this one got behind, so let's bring this back to the forefront of the video, and I'm going to move this here, and I'll move this my buddy here to this side. And let's put some words. Let's do this in red, just so it's easier for people to see, and make it big. And let's type how to blur with DaVinci. And told you this was just going to be a quick little video. I'm going to go further in depth on how to make more elegant thumbnails. That will be easier once we go through some of the tutorial videos. I just wanted to do something quick and easy to do. Thank you for watching. I'm going to create a playlist for this, and I'm going to have many tutorials on doing the different aspects of GIMP. Like I said, this thumbnail is just basic, but we'll go further in detail on the future videos for tutorials using GIMP. Thank you, and please subscribe and like, and if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below.